Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how Visual Backend works, which is essentially a tool that helps you build your backends faster by auto-generating code and scaffolding for things like route handlers, services such as Auth and CRUD, and even helping you deploy your app in just one click. So let's get started. Over here I have a fresh Python FastAPI project, but Visual Backend works with Node.js Express as well, alright? So the first thing we're going to do is actually create endpoints. So I'm going to come over here and create an auth group. So this is an auth route group. And in here, I'm going to create a get user request, for example. And just like that, we can immediately start writing our route functions. So in here, I'm going to return, for example, hello world. And it's really as simple as that. So if I come to Postman and test out this request, you can see that we get our response. Sorry, I need to run the server. You can see that we get our response correctly, right? Now, the next thing I want to show you is how we can actually implement things like Auth and CRUD really easily. So normally, if you use a service, say Supabase or MongoDB, you might have to set up a client, do some config stuff before actually writing your functions. But Visual Backend helps you do all of that. And really, all you need to do is, for example, with Supabase, paste in your API keys. So I'm just going to do some random strings here and just stop the server because it's going to give an error. And so, as you can see, when we create a module, it actually comes with commonly used functions. So with Supabase, this might be the auth middleware function, right? And the other thing as well is that, let's say we create a function for this service. I want to create an auth user, for example. We can use this feature, Kickstart with AI, which actually looks at the function name as well as the service that is being created for, and generates meaningful code just to help you kickstart your process. So as you can see over here, we've got some code generated, and let's just import that. Sorry. Supabase, import the client. But anyways, the point is, we got all this code generated for you without you giving any prompt, and I thought that was pretty cool. And the last thing we actually do is help you deploy your app. So to do that, all you need to do is come over here and just click this one button. And what we do is help you deploy your app to Google Cloud, and it's really as simple as that. So I hope you enjoyed this little intro of Visual Backend, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.